Welcome back to Red Bear Garage. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're working on the dune buggy, and I'm going to be building the front roll bar for the roll cage. It's my first time doing that, so let's just see how that turns out. And then we'll continue on with doing a little bit of more fabrication and just working on white privilege basically, so getting that thing done. Welcome back to Red Bear Garage. I'm Red Bear and this is my garage. So today we're working on the Baja roll cage today. I've got the tubing bender set up. I'm making my cheater right now, my little die. Yesterday we got the one of the 930 axles put on the Baja. I got the shock tabs welded in. Look at those welds, baby. Got my limiting strap set up, so this side's dialed. Just need to put the tire on, and this side we're done. And this side, the other side, I'm just holding off. I want to mess with the bender, so we're gonna get this roll bar bent, the front one up against the windshield, and then I'm gonna put two of these sidebars in there on this one. So that's going to turn out pretty slick. And I am going to use this existing one. We'll clean it up. And then I'm going to have to find a seat that fits in the back here. And I think it's going to have to be like a 39-inch wide bench seat. I'm trying to find a used one, but I might have to buy a new one. We'll see. But that's what we're doing. So stand by. Let's bend some pipe. Welcome back. We're out here in the garage again. I took a little break from bending, but I went ahead and got this bent up. My front hoop for the roll cage. It's got 3 bends. 1, 2, 3 per side. That was hard. That was hard. It's like this is my first hoop I've ever built. Full cage hoop. And I watched one YouTube video a couple times, and I made one mistake on the first bend, but I caught it and then adjusted because I had a little extra pipe so I could adjust, because your pipe grows as you make the radius, the 90, and I was going to have way too wide of a hoop, so I subtracted half of the 90 and then recentered and bam, and then just kind of worked it and tweaked and worked and tweaked and tweaked and tweaked, and then, dude, it's good. Looks good. I'm stoked. So tomorrow we're gonna have a sanding party on this thing. I gotta go to Brody's cross country race. It's like the first opener. See how he does. He's gonna tear it up, and then we'll be back here sanding and go from there, man. Figured that out. Now I can weld some flat plates on the bottom of this. Some flat plates. I mean, we got all kinds of jankiness going on here, so I'll have to make a custom plate to get in there and sit down flush. May have to do some trimming. And then I can make these two bars that go from here to here. I got some plate, so I can plate this. I'm going to bolt a piece of angle iron to this piece, and then make a nice seat for that, cover all that hideousness up, and then maybe make a little storage rack or something for that. Haven't even worked on the Baja today. Slow day, trying to get going. But where's my soda at? So we're doing good. So we will keep you updated tomorrow. We're gonna spend most of the day out here tomorrow too, trying to really get this bug down the road. And Just trying to figure out what other stuff I really want to put into this, how much more money I want to put into this thing. Not much more, I can tell you that much. Maybe some wheels and tires on it. And I have a little front bumper for it, like this one. I have one of those that Ryder got when he did a bug deal. So maybe we'll put it on the front of that thing. All my front end I painted up nice, it's all primer. I just blasted it. I got impatient, and it's the way I roll sometimes. So it's freaking hot and humid. It is not fall. We still got 2 more months of summer here in Arizona, all you people. The beginning of fall. Not in Arizona. It's freaking record temps. What, 115 today? Joke. So we're still out here sweating our freaking lives away. But we'll be stoked when winter comes, let me tell you. A little bit of sweatshirt weather. Oh yeah. With that, I'm out. Thank you. See you later. My 930 CV flanges for my transmission, which means I can put my axles in, get those babies dialed, then I can freaking weld my limiting straps on. I can set my CV angles, and then I can weld all my shock mounts on. So we're golden. Got these last night, so we're gonna work on these to see how these go in. Just a C-clip, you can clip right in. And then I can put my angle finder on my axles, and then we'll freaking see if my limiting straps are long enough. I don't think they are, and they're already long, dude. So I don't know. I don't want to cut anything off or re-weld anything. They are what they are. I'll just order another set of longer ones, but we won't know till we dig into it. So that's what we're gonna go do. Okay. Okay. There's the axle, the transmission stub outs that these fit on. Just like that. Clip. So these are brutal. Okay, we got those stub axles in, flanges, and it was way harder than it needed to be. So let's open up our box of axles and CVs. What's it say? To Red Bear Garage, the best garage in the whole world. Oh, how'd they know? How did they know? CVs, grease, boot, bolt, oh yeah, bolt, boot flanges. Some more. Definitely need more screws than that, I think. Axles. CV boot. CV boot. CV boot. Zip ties. And more CVs. Oh. Well, let's see. So, in case you're wondering what a 930 CV is, it's a bigger CV. So here is a 930. There's the clips. Here is a bus CV. Let's see the difference. That's another bus. Trying to find a bug one. I have a bunch of bug ones. So here's the bug one, which I had bug ones on the arms, and these bus ones were up at the transmission. Look at that size difference. And the size difference between a bus and a bug. Smaller. So, for comparison, stock bug, stock bus. Now here's the axles. Beautiful. Slip right in. Well, these are 3 inches longer than the ones I had on there, or they're actually the same size. Pretty close. The other ones I think were custom made. Someone made them, and they were a random size. These are 19 1/4, so these just kind of bolt in with this whole kit. These go on the outer side, over here, and the boot clips over that, zip ties to that, and the axles through here. Voila, then we're back in action. A lot of money right here. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching all the way through. Please like the video, make some cool comments on there. Put on there what you want to see more of. Obviously, we're doing a lot of Volkswagen stuff right now, but we got some dune seasons coming up, so we're going to be doing a lot of duning, working on our dirt bikes, doing some trail riding. So let me know what you guys want to see more of, what type of content. We are looking for some parts for the bugs. So if you got any Volkswagen stuff laying around, hit me up, man. All right, well, we'll see you next week. Thank you.